Yo, what is good, everybody? Infamous back with another video. Today, we got new lights. New lights for the main Malone. And big moment for the channel. It's my very first sponsor. Yes, sir. So, I got new LED fog lights for the truck. And I got hit with the sponsor, so let's check how everything goes. Should be easy install. Let's see how bright these lights are. And let y'all know I'm an honest man. I don't lie. So if they're good, they're good. But I feel like they're gonna be better. Regardless, they're gonna be better than my factory ones. So let's show you the lights and see what's up. All right, so the lights we got is from Oxito LED fog lights. And came in pretty good, let's say. Specifications, everything you need to know. So let's get this open. Check out the lights. Let's see. Let's do an unboxing. See how this goes. All right. Okay, cool. Damn, they look pretty nice. Anything else under it? Maybe, possibly. Let me just see. No, nothing else under it. Okay. So, is there any instructions? Okay, so it tells you what it is on the side right here. So for the 04 to 08 models, they take H10, 9145 or 9140 for the bulbs. That's the bulb size. And I say these look pretty good. Let's take one out. You don't want to touch the LED because it's bad. Well, it's not bad for you, but it's bad for the bulb. It can damage it because the oil on your fingertips and everything that you produce from your skin. But I say these look good. Nice fan. Should be this should be easy. It's plug and play. So I say quality wise, it looks pretty good. I don't think it's bad. I was skeptical, but hey, never can go wrong. Let's see. So I say it's not bad. Good box, good quality lights. And if you want to check these bulbs out, I have a link in the description, and you can use my code infamous15 for 15% off on any purchase you make on the website. So I'll have the link on the bottom. And yeah, so let's get ready to install these and put them on the truck. So first I'm gonna showcase how the old bulbs look, and then I'm gonna show how it looks like one in one, and then fully together. So let's get that started. All right, let's get started in this video. We're gonna do the fog lights. You should know about this. In my personal opinion, 04 to 05 bumper style is the best one. I do not like the 06 to 08. It just ain't it. I like the rectangular square fog lights. Anyways, off topic, but let's get to it. So let's show you what it looks like factory. Alright, so this is what factory looks like. As you can tell, the yellow and not as bright. Let me turn off the lights in the garage so you can see like over there, so you can get an idea of it. Like, because it'll be better. And I don't feel like turning the truck around. So let's do that. So be right back. All right. Let's just say this is you driving at night. These are your fog lights. This is just the fog lights. I don't have the actual headlights on. The only thing that's on the headlight is the bar, the LED strip. But this is just your fog lights. This is off. And I feel like my LED strips are brighter than that. So, and then boom, back on. Look, what is that? So, yeah. So now let's put one in one, and then we'll showcase that, and then get back to it and let's get the install going. All right, guys, here we are. That's the factory light. So you're gonna push. Wait, how do you take this off? Push it down. I want to take off the connector first, and this might need 2 hands. But anyways, this is where it's at. So be right back. Okay, I got it. I think you just pull it down. I just moved these. I just pulled them back and then comes out. Okay, there's that. That's easy. Next, twist it. I'm guessing, what is that, counterclockwise? I think so. I don't know my directions. So, here's the factory one. Pretty lame. Then we got the new ones from Auxito, sponsored. Code F-150 for 50% off. All right, let's grab one of these. All right, so, okay. Let's get this one in. I have to match it. Okay, let's see. There's the big one. So the big one, that's the biggest one. So put it in. Then clockwise. All right, just like that. Boom. And then you put the connector back in. Easy peasy. All right, now let's look at the difference, because this one's a new one and then that one should be factory. Look, plug and play, guys. All right, I'm gonna do an example with all my lights are on inside the garage, so you can tell the difference. You know, lights on and then lights off, so we can see a difference. You know what I mean? Okay, so let me go to the mount. Oh yeah, that's way better. Oh yeah. Let me look from back here. Oh, sheesh. Look at that. You can tell just from the camera, it looks 10 times better. Look, it has more of a glare to it because it has that, what is it? The lens flare of lights being too bright or whatever. And then look at this piss yellow fog light. Yeah, that's, All right, so let me do it with all the lights off and then show the inside of the truck. Okay, so this is what it looks like with all the lights off. Pretty good. I still see a difference, but let's go show inside the truck. Look at that. Immediately you see a difference. Look, just look at that. It's so much better. A lot better. I can see everything now. Look, once we put the other light on, you'll see more over there on that side. So let's get to it and show it off and everything. All right. All right, so here's the passenger side. It's pretty much the same concept. I pulled this like this, and then that's what I did. Oh, don't turn it yet. Put a connector out. There you go. That's what I did on that side. And then this is the same thing. Was it counterclockwise? Because the clock will go that way. Yeah, so counterclockwise to take off. And then pull the old ones out. Look at that. Junk. And then we'll get the new ones from Auxito. Link in the description. Oh no. There we go. Okay, this is the bigger side. Put it in. Lock it in place. Connector in. And just like that, you change your fog lights to LEDs. Now let's go check them out. All right, now it's time to check out these. Both the LEDs together from Auxito. Big thanks to Auxito for being the sponsor of this and sponsoring me these bulbs. Really appreciate it. First sponsor. So let's turn them on and show them off. Oh hell yeah. Now that's dope. That's clean. It brings. Look at that, dude. Oh. Now I can take good pictures with the truck like this now. It's like clear white. They're actually brighter than my headlights, the strip. And those headlights cost me a lot of money. But I like it. It's good. It makes the truck stand out more. So definitely I'm gonna be using these. Now let's show them off when it's dark in the garage. And maybe I'll do a test drive somewhere, maybe around my place. I don't know anywhere that's dark enough, but we'll check it out. So, I'm turn off the lights in the garage and show them off. All right, so that's what it looks like when it's dark, forward facing towards you, and it's good. It's nice. So now let's show it off inside. Yep. Man, it looks so much better. It looks like I actually have headlights on. Let's see how it looks with the headlights on. So that's off. Completely off. Oh, I need to turn the truck on, obviously. All right, this is just the headlights on. Oh yeah, it lit up the whole garage. It looks 10 times better. Yep. Happy with the results. All right, so this is me driving the truck. The headlights are on as well, but so that's off, on. This is just the strips. Obviously, you can see they're not that bright. Oh yeah, look, this is so much better. So, I'm do a walk around. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks good, right? Sheesh, pa. Lights came out good. Not too bad, not too bad. Yup. I like these. I like these. These are good. As you can see from the outside right here, like this too, outside. Look, I say they make a big difference. It brings out the look of the truck more. So let's head back home and finish off the video. All right, everyone, this will be the end of the vlog. I want to give a big shout out to Oxito once again for sponsoring this video and providing me with these bulbs for my F-150. I really like them. I actually do enjoy this. It was actually a good product. It's not bad. I want to be honest. I think they might be brighter than the ones you get from AutoZone. I forgot what the brand is called. It starts with an S, but they're like $100. And on their website, these are like half the price. I think they go for $50, I believe, or 60. I can't remember, but I want to say 50. But if you go on their website, link in the description, use my code infamous15, get 15% off on your order. So you can get lights for any of you, because it's not just for F-150s. They have a multiple. Like, just know your bulb size, and I'm pretty sure they have it, and you can get it. And they have different colors. You can get golden yellow, or white and golden yellow switchback. Oh, that's switchback? That's what my, I think that's what my LEDs, the turn signals do on my truck. The headlights I got. But yeah, so once again, big thanks to Oxito for sponsoring this video and giving me these bulbs. I really appreciate it. It's the first sponsor of the channel. Hope to have more in the future and go from there. But I will see y'all in the next video. Take care and be safe.